That fireplace is electric. How gorgeous is that? Very nice, very comfortable. Welcome friends. Today's another open house video located here in the Villages, Florida. We are in the village of Della Vista, which is in the northern part of the Villages. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home that's made out of wood frame. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. Today's another open house video located here in the Villages, Florida. This is located in the village of Della Vista. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home. Let's walk up the driveway. As I look at the home, this home has beautiful landscaping. It is located on a corner lot as well. It does have a 2-car garage. As you can see, it is very well kept. I will video the specification sheet a little bit later in the video. As always, friends, if you have more questions, please contact Alexa Anderson at KRG. Let's walk into this home. And it does have a front porch area that you can sit, which is very nice. This is a wood-framed home. There is what the roof shingles look like. Please refer to the specification sheet for the age of the roof as well as all the mechanicals. Let's go inside and take a look.
Hi, how are you?
Hi Alexa, thank you for showing us this home today. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Okay, it's 717 Del Rosio. It has smart home features, has a new roof, last year was put on, has solar. He is negotiable about some of the furnishings, redone kitchen, redone master bathroom, nice water feature in the back, and it's a beautiful home.
Okay, very good. And the price is $400,000.
$400,000, yes.
Okay, what I'll do, thank you Alexa, I will walk through the home, I'll describe what I see, and if the viewers have any questions, they can contact you. I will leave your contact information in the description of the video.
Okay, sounds great.
Very good. Here I'm standing in the foyer area, and I do see tile floors here in the foyer area. Panning off to the to the back of the home, you will see a lanai area that is temperature controlled. You do see the living room area, which does have carpeting. Off to the left of the foyer area, you do have a carpeted hallway. And you have 2 bedrooms on this side of the home. This would be called the guest quarters. Looks like one of the bedrooms is being used as an office right now. This home does have acoustic texture ceilings. And this bedroom does have carpeting in it. Panning off to the side of the home. This bedroom has bifold raised panel doors as well. Stepping out of this guest bedroom, you do have a guest bathroom. The guest bathroom does have ceramic tile floors. Has granite countertops with 1 sink in it. Does have wood cabinets as well. There is a solar tube in this bathroom to keep this bathroom lit well. It has a tub and shower surround with glass doors. That shower surround is tile. You can see it is a tile shower surround. There is the bathroom mirror. Off to the front of the home, you do see another guest bedroom. Here's the guest bedroom. It has a lot of windows in this guest bedroom. You do see the acoustic texture ceiling. Very bright room. This room does have carpeting. that does appear to be a queen size bed. To give you perspective of the size of this room, I will video the specification sheet later in the video. As always, friends, please contact Alexa if you have more questions about this home. This bedroom does have bifold doors. Let's exit this bedroom and walk through the rest of the home. That door should lead into the garage area, the two-car garage. Here is the two-car garage. Two-car garage. This is a wood-framed home. You do see that the laundry is in the garage area as well as the mechanicals. Let's take a walk back in the home. Walking into the living and dining room area, or actually the living room area. The ceilings are very high with acoustic texture. Off to the back of the home, you will see the master bedroom. This is a split bedroom designed home where the guest bedrooms are on the opposite side of the home as the master bedroom. Let's take a walk into that master bedroom. We'll take a quick panoramic view of the living area just to give you an idea. Here's the master bedroom. Just for your perspective, friends, that is a king-size bed. This bedroom has 2 windows with plantation shutters, very high ceilings with acoustic texture. It does have carpeted floors as well. Let's take a walk to the corner of this room. This master bedroom does have a master bathroom as well. There is your master bathroom. Walking into the master bathroom area, you do have a closet on the left, walk-in closet with sliding raised panel doors. Very high ceilings in that closet. And you have a closet off to the right with sliding raised panel doors as well. Very high ceilings in that closet as well. The master bathroom does have tile floors, has wood cabinets. It has granite countertops with 2 sinks. Very nice. Let's take a walk. It has a commode space with a window and plantation shutters. Very high ceilings in this room as well. This home does have a walk-in Roman shower with beautiful white tiles. That is gorgeous. Very nice walk-in Roman shower. There it is. That is the bathroom vanity and sinks with the granite countertops. Let's continue our journey. Let's walk to the back of the house. After I finish the back of the home, I will walk into the kitchen. I will video the specification sheet as well. This room area has a beautiful engineered hardwood floor. Very high ceilings. This room has knockdown texture on the ceiling. It is a temperature controlled room. It's gorgeous, and it is off of the kitchen area, and we will look at that kitchen area in a little bit. Let's take a walk out to the back of the home. It has an awesome water feature. Here's the back of the home. The back of the home is facing southeast, just for your perspective. That is an awesome water feature on this home. This is a back patio area with cement. Beautiful landscape. There's your water feature right there. That would be facing east, friends. That is your home right there. I will take a walk to the corner of the lot. This is located on a corner lot here in the Villages, Florida, the village of Della Vista. This is your corner lot. It is a huge corner lot that this home sits on. I do notice there's solar panels on the roof up there. That is the back of your home. Back of the home does face southeast. Look at the awesome water features in this home. Very serene, very quiet. Let's go inside and take a video of that kitchen area as well. And I will video the specification sheet. Let's video the kitchen. Those same engineered hardwood floors are in that kitchen area. You do see granite countertops in that kitchen. Here you go, friends. This is the specification sheet for this home. It's located at 717 Del Rosario Street here in the Villages, Florida. The list price is $400,000. It has no bond and a new roof. Please feel free, friends, to pause the video at any point to read the specification sheet. Let's take a walk through this kitchen area. This kitchen is very bright. That's the first thing I notice about the kitchen. Very comfortable. Has stainless appliances. Has an electric range over there. Granite countertops. Looks like it has a glass tile backsplash as well. Very nice. It has oak cabinets. Very high ceilings. This home shows very well. Has that island that looks off into the pool table room. Oh, I didn't even notice. Has a fireplace. That fireplace is electric. How gorgeous is that? Very nice. Very comfortable. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate that. I will start exiting the home. I'll give you one last panoramic view from the kitchen into that living room area. And then I will exit the home. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Let's walk out to the street. I will give you a panoramic view of the street. The front of this home would be facing northwest. Beautiful wide cement walkway leading up to this home. Again, it is on a corner lot. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. As always, friends, if you have additional questions, please contact Alexa Anderson at KRG. If you have additional questions, this home does have a very deep setback as well. This is located in the northern part of the Villages, where the lots are larger than other parts of the Villages. Here we are walking out to the street. This is facing northwest. That would be facing east. That is your home, folks. And that would be facing west. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. That is your home for sale today. It's a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home located here in the village of Della Vista in the northern part of the Villages. Have a great day, everybody. Take care. Thank you for watching this open house tour in the village of Della Vista, located here in the Villages, Florida. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home. Stay safe, everybody.